Hello guys, welcome back to Foresight Institute. In the earlier video we did one of the small example. We talked about one of the small example and we show the output of that. But we didn't do the practical for that. Today what we'll do the one of the small practical by using two kind of text editors. The text editors we have talked about earlier video in a very first video. First one is a Notepad and next one is a Sublime text. Right. Now first we'll do the example in Notepad, which is coming in the inbuilt version in operating system of Windows. So what you want to do, you have to go to your Windows start menu and just go and type Notepad or Not. It will show in your pop-up. You can open that Notepad and you can see like this window here. And what you want to do first, you have to save this file as a .html. The extension called .html, because we know this our operating system will understand the files with their extensions. If you are using txt, then your operating system will understand this is text file. Or if you are using .html or html, your operating system will understand this is HTML file. Or if you are using docx, then your operating system will understand this is the document, Microsoft Word document file, Word file. So you have to save your file with the extension every time. So now I am going to save it. Go to the file and save as. I am selecting the path. It's already coming with the extension is .txt, but we don't need txt file. We just need the HTML file. So now I am giving one of the name called index. You can give whatever the name you like, but I am giving like index and .html or htm. So now I am going to save it. Now in your desktop you can see there is a file called index.html. Now you can see that is coming with your browser's logo. So now you can see in your desktop index.html, it is representing as your browser because we have typed as .html. Our operating system understood this is a HTML file. It should be opened through the browser. If you are using Firefox, then you can see Firefox mark or logo. Or if you are using Windows Explorer, Opera Mini or something, you will be seeing that mark. But here I'm using Google Chrome. That's what I'm seeing, Google Chrome logo. Okay, now we will open our text editor, Notepad text editor. What we want to do first, we have to declare our document page. So how we are going to declare that? Opening and closing the angle bracket and exclamation mark, and we are typing type HTML. What this line do? It is instructing to the browser this file is written by HTML5. Then what we want to do, we have to type our root element is HTML. The best practice is when you open one of the tags, at the same time you should close it, because if in your real world practical you will be seeing so much of tags. So you will be forgetting to close the open tag. So in that case, when you run that program or when you open it in the browser, you will be seeing some confusion with the designs. So that's why for avoiding or preventing that, that's what we are closing our tags at the same time when we open. I have closed here. Now I'm going to type inside of this HTML. The next one is we should write the head tag. So indentation is main because that is not important, but the best practice is writing with indentation because it is giving the easiness to read your code, and it is easy for read others also, because when someone is editing your code, then he will be understanding what have you done here. Inside of this head tag, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to write the title tag, because we know our title tag will be representing our title tag is represented in our tab of our browser. I'm going to write as a Foresight Institute. So now it will be showing in your tab of your browser. We'll be seeing the output later. After finishing this, now we have to write our body tag. We have to close our body tag. Then inside of this body tag, everything will be written here, because your browser will represent what have you typed inside of your body tag. Right now, I am just going to write the one of the heading called "Welcome to Foresight Institute." Welcome to Foresight Institute. Welcome to Foresight Institute. I have typed inside of this H1 tag because we know we have 6 kind of heading tags from H1 to H6. So H1 is representing as a larger font in your browser. H6 is representing the smaller font, right? So after that, I'm just going to write one of the small paragraph. I'm not going to write the whole paragraph. I'm going to write one of the small line called this is my first paragraph. First paragraph, right? Now I'm going to save this file again, and I've done all the changes. Now I've saved this file, and now I'm going to open through the browser what I've saved here. So you can see there is a title called Foresight Institute in your browser's tab. Then you are seeing Welcome to Foresight Institute as your heading. Then you are seeing a paragraph called "This is my first paragraph." So this is the output of our HTML code what we have typed earlier. Now we look at the Sublime text, how we are writing the same code in our Sublime text editor. First of all, if you don't have the Sublime text editor, go to your web page or go to your browser and search Sublime text. Then you can click the first link. It will take you to the official website of the Sublime text. You can see the download button here. Once you click the download button, it will go download in your computer. After it download, you can open it and say install it in an easy way. Right. I have already installed my Sublime text editor here, so I'm going to open it. First of all, what I'm going to do now, go to the file and give save as. Go to the file and give the save as. I'm going to give the name index2.html. I've selected the pipe. It will store on my desktop. So I am going to save this. Right, what we want to do now, here we are typing the same thing. There is no difference, but it is very interesting. You can see in a very different colors for the attribute, for the tags, for your angle brackets. It is given a different colors. Same way, when you open the tag, when you if you want to close your tag, it will automatically close, because when you type the angle bracket and / it will automatically close your tag. Then if you are boring to do everything like this, doing this way, just type the HTML and press the tab button. It will automatically give the basic text to your Sublime text editor. Now you can type Foresight Institute in your title tag. I'm going to write the H1 here now. Just type the H1 and press the tab button. It will show. It will open and close the text. Then I'm going to type welcome all. I'm going to type the paragraph. Just write the P and press the tab button. It will give the paragraph. This is my second paragraph. Right. Easy. Just we'll go to the file and save it. This is my file what I saved now. I'm going to open this. Here, this is our welcome all. This is our H1. This is our paragraph. Right. Now we'll do another paragraph also. When you type the lower arm and press the tab button, it will give you one of the dummy text. I'm going to save this. or you can just press the Control plus S, Control S. It will automatically say. Now I'm going to refresh my page. It will give the dummy text also. Here we'll do the H1's different. I mean, if we have the if you want to see the difference between the H1 to H6, so we can see like this. H2, this is H2. I'm going to copy this text. H3, H4, H5, then H6. Now I have saved this. Then go to your browser and refresh. Then you can see the difference. The H1 is the largest font and H6 is the smallest font. Then difference between this paragraph and this H5, H6, because these are bolded one. Paragraph is not bolded, so these are bolded. That's what we are calling, these are heading text. We have the 6 kind of heading text: H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5 and H6. So same output or same way we are doing in the Notepad and Notepad++ and Sublime text editor. I talked about the Notepad and Sublime text here. If you like to install and get the experience of the Notepad++, go and search in your browser like Notepad++. You can get the official website up there and go to the download. Just download it and use it. It's also same like a Sublime text editor. It is giving the suggestions also like the Sublime text editor, so you can get the well experience on that. So this is all about this video. In the next video we'll talk about something new than this. Till that, keep learning. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it now. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.